Hello, my lovely YouTubers. Welcome to the channel of the Loquacious One. I am the Loquacious One, the one-headed quitter of affordable hauls, coming to bring you another haul on some gift ideas, or if you like to bake, some ideas of how you can assemble items on the very low end of price scaling and still enjoy the holiday season. I think these make wonderful gifts if you know someone who bakes. So without further ado, I like to tell you that these came from Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and some came from, I think I got it from Marshall's, okay? At the end of last season. I do shop at the end of the season for gift giving ideals and things of that nature, like decor for the next Christmas season. All right, the first item I got was this a mug. It's from the Dollar Tree and it says Baking Spirits Bright. And look how they did the eyes with the candy cane and the peppermints. It has a gingerbread man all decorated with a candy cane, sugar star cookies. And I think this is just really so cute and quaint, really good for giving gifts. Okay, as well as it has the matching plate that says Baking Spirit Bright. I think that is such a lovely, lovely ideal. This can be a gift in itself. Now I got this from Dollar General. These two items were $1 a piece. This is from Dollar General. It's $2. It's a three-piece kitchen set. It has one kitchen towel that's 14 by 24, one pot holder, and they count the recipe card that shows you a recipe for sugar cookies. So really it's two pieces, and that's $1 a piece. But look at the really pretty red ball fringe. It also says Baking Spirits Bright, and it just has a plain red pot holder. So that is not bad, okay? I think that is just a really cute, cute set right there. So that's $2, $3, $4. Okay, now also from Dollar General, I got this Baking Spirits Bright pie pan. It's ceramic. It was 5 dishes. It says it's a pie dish. I'm sorry. But isn't that cute? Look at that. You have, I hope I don't, I'm trying to maneuver with one hand. All right. So you have your pie plate with your towel, and you have a lovely cup and saucer set. So that's 5, 7, 8, 9, all under $10. Okay. You can add things such as a rolling pin. I would get one of the really nice ceramic ones because that's really kind of really classy. Or if not, just a red one. You can do a big measuring cup and a whisk. So it just depends on what's available to you. Now I got these right here. This is from the Bake Shop. It's a set of 3 cookie cutters. I went a little bit high end. Okay, but these were $2 for Marshall. So I got in the end of the Christmas season last year. But look, it looks so much nicer than if you get the plastic ones. But if all you can find is the red plastic ones or the ones Dollar Tree offered, that's good also. I also found this is from the Bake Shop, and it's copper. And this is a set of 4, and I got this for $3 at Marshall. Again, the best time to shop is after Christmas, folks. Hit those stores. Isn't this a nice set? So that's 5 for the pie plate, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And other towels that they had. These are kitchen towels from the holiday style line at Dollar General. It says mistletoe kisses and candy cane wishes. And all these I'm going to use on my hot cocoa bar or hot chocolate bar. This one says Mrs. Claus Cookie Cafe, warm your heart. And the last one says, hey, may your holidays be filled with lots of cookies. And again, like I said, you can put any combination of these together. and they would look great. These are $1 a piece. So I thought that was just awesome. Okay. So hold on. I'll be right back with some more ideals that you can use for Christmas gifts. Okay, folks, this next item is by Holiday Styles. This was available at Dollar General. It is a table runner. It's 13 inches by 68 inches. And it says Merry Christmas. And it has the vintage red truck in the black and red plaid and the buffalo check on the edge. And it would look like this. And this was $6. And when I see things like this, it's worth the $6. It's burlap with white snowflakes that run down the length of the runner. When I see things like this, I grab them because honestly, to wait for them in the after Christmas sale, you probably won't find popular items, to be honest with you. So grab them while the grabbing is good. I also found this red ceramic mug, although it doesn't say baking spirits bright, it says making spirits bright, and it was $2. So that's an alternative mug that you can put with that pie plate because it matches it in color. Okay, and you might want to grab some cookie or cake decorating sets. I got this from Dollar Tree. It was $1. It's 1904 Acme Baking Company. It's a 9-piece cupcake decorating set, and I got it for the tips. And I don't know if this is fine enough, but you can decorate cupcakes, you can decorate cakes. And I got a smaller one around here somewhere. I don't know what bag I put it in for decorating cookies. So yeah, that's another thing to consider. Okay. And also, I found this random mug. I have tons of Christmas mugs. This one says Let It Snow. And I thought it was so cute because my hot chocolate bar is themed Let It Snow. So I grabbed this. Okay. That was nice. All right, folks. I still have a few more items to go, and then I will be out of here. Okay, continuing on. From the holiday style line that's available at Dollar General, I got these 2 extra tablecloths. Well, they're tablecloths, but they're plastic. And they kind of theme with the tree farm theme I have going. Also, I have different vignettes for different areas of my home and for different events. But this one says the pine, spruce, and fir. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I do have some tree farm decor in this color and pattern. So that would be nice for that. I always get extra holiday um, plastic tablecloths because you never know when an event will pop up or people will pop in. I mean, at the very least, get red and green. But if you can find a good pattern, why not pick up a couple so you always have something available when people drop by or you need something. I have always kept these in the back of my car. And whenever I'm at work or someplace, an event pop up, they come say, I know you have some tablecloths to cover these extra tables. Alrighty. And the next thing I found, and I love this Cadillac, I call it Cadillac red because it looks like a red metallic Cadillac. And they also have, I didn't get it this year, but I got chargers, plate chargers that match this exactly, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I did get 2 of these for the holiday season, not for my home exactly, but for the holiday event we're having over my daughter's house. So I got 2 of these because I'm going to do a mini hot chocolate bar over there. And I picked up these. I found they're little shakers. So to put the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the pumpkin pie spice, and it's another seasoning that I can put in here so they can just shake it. I don't need a whole big one because like I said, this is just for her little event. It's not going to be that many people. So I thought that was good to use for that occasion. All right. Okay, folks, so that's it. That's all from a little haul. I didn't have much. Hope you got inspired, got some ideas that you can use. Check Dollar Tree, Dollar General. They knocked it out the ballpark. Okay, I'm going to hit up Family Dollar one more time, but you can see I only got a few items there this year. So, it is what it is. So, with that being said, if you're not a part of my YouTube family, if not, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything. Just click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share if you're on social media. Till next time, love you. Bye bye.